In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online with your smartphone. So what I did is last week I went on an aquarium. I took my phone with it. I didn't have any special camera. So I took my phone with it, take videos and photos of certain things. And now I'm going to show you how you can use that videos and photos to make a passive income with using 3 websites. All you need is watch the video until the end. I'm going to talk about what these websites and how you can make money with it. Before that, guys, if you guys are interested in watching video like this one, make money online, all you have to do is subscribe to my channels, press the bell icon so you will get notified when I release new video every single day, and like this video so other people can watch these videos and they can learn and earn money from it. Start with this one. This website gonna pay you in average 15 to 40% in revenue per download. What happens is when you upload these pictures and video to this website, gonna pay you 15% for the beginners. When you upgrade, when you start to get more downloads, they're gonna pay you 40% of the revenue. So for example, if you sell a video or photo for $10, you get paid in $4 in royalty for that. So if you pay that for, say for example, you sell the same video for $40 or $100, you're gonna make $40 in a royalty for that. And I'm gonna show you how people are making crazy amount of money using this website. This is my video I just shoot from my smartphone. So you can see here, this is a 10-second videos of aquarium. I use it in vertical format using my smartphone. There's no special camera, nothing like that, right? So here that you can see I shoot this video. Now I'm going to show you how these people are making crazy amount of money selling same aquarium videos. These are the videos of aquarium on this website called shutterstock.com that you can see. If I open this video here, how much people are making money from it. That you can see standard quality £49 and high definition £59 and 4K quality is £120. 4K quality you need to have a special camera to do it, but with your smartphone you can have a HD quality video that you can see people are selling for $60. If I go to another website, it's called Storyblogs, that you can see these people are selling the same video. This is the same video you found it on here in Shutterstock. So people are selling on multiple different platforms. If I open that again, you can see people are selling for higher price. In order to see the price, you need to create an account with it. There's a monthly subscription. Still, whenever people pay monthly subscription to this website, you get paid in a revenue for the download, guys. Another website is called iStock. Again, you can see people are selling these videos here for aquarium, same videos that you can see 100 for this video clip, guys. £100 for 8-second video clip, because people are buying this video clip for the commercial use or personal use or educational purpose. They can use that for unlimited time. So they buy one time, they can use it in multiple different purposes with the reuse or commercial use license. But when you sell this clip here, you can make a passive income. So for example, £100 for this clip, 60% for this website, because they advertise it, they host it, they do the customer service and everything. You don't have to do anything. You get paid in £40 for these pictures, the 8-second video, guys. Now I'm going to show you how you can create an account. It's simple, and how you can upload a video. So for example, I have already an account with Shutterstock. This is my account here that you can see. This is my dashboard. I need to complete the profile. It's simple. All you have to do is create an account, fill the information, put the email address and password. Your account is ready. Now I'm going to show you upload process. Click this one called upload here and select the multi-file or single file. Click that. And you're going to select the video that you just shoot from your mobile phone and click open and click continue. Now you can see it's loaded on here, and you're going to click next. Wait for a couple of seconds. The video file you have to upload it fully on this website. Now you can see uploading is done. All you have to do is click next. Now you have to click this video. Then you need to give all the description. You need to write a description, put the keywords, and you can select the category. What category is that? And again, guys, you can use this information, keyword suggestion. Automatically, you give a keyword suggestion for your video. So click this one called water. You can select underwater. You can select live, and you can say on the description. What you can do is you can say fish aquarium. Sorry, okay. Then category you can select It's an object, technology, transportation. You can select nature, it's not the nature, and what we can select is animal and wildlife. And secondary category, if you have one, you can select it, otherwise fine. And the location, you can select United Kingdom, but you can put India or Bangladesh, whatever location that you are from, guys. Then what you do, click submit. Now what happened is Shutterstock take a time to review it. Please review errors. There's some error. I need to put the description. It's more than 5 words need to be there. Okay, don't worry about that. After you did that, you need to click submit button. It will take a couple of days. They will review it. If they approve it, they will put it on their website, and whenever people buy that, you can make a passive income from it. This is a short video on how you can make money with your smartphone. All you need to do is, you have a smartphone with a HD camera on it. Go outside to the nature, the location that are available to you, near you. Take the videos and pictures, upload it to a couple of these websites. These are the one of the example, Shutterstock or Storyblogs or iStock to sell videos, but there are multiple websites where you can sell the pictures. All you have to do is take a pictures and videos, upload to this website, because it's not going to cost you anything. You don't have to pay anything to upload those pictures and videos. All you have to do is create a free account with it, and then you upload those pictures and videos. Give the good title, description and keywords, and whenever the people review it and you get approved, and your listing will be available worldwide. Whenever people buy it, you make a passive income in the form of royalty. Remember that those websites review manually because they don't want repeated content, so you have to download somebody else and upload it here. Is not going to work. All you have to do is take your own content and upload it, guys, and let's see what happens. I am upload a couple of my videos. I'm going to do that because I have a couple of videos and pictures from the trip I went last week, so you can do that, guys. Let me know in the comment section how you going to try it out or not. Also, if you want me to make a videos on certain topic, you have to leave it that in the comment section. I will do that for you guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.